Gaudeamus Igitur, our song from the 1200s, is not only full of low T, it is also full of dotted 8/16 patterns. And if you remember, I said it was sung by university students. Here are some now. That was the Glasgow University Chapel Choir, singing in actual Latin. Ours is in English and doesn't mean the same thing. Sing the song we love to sing. Sing the song of greeting. Sing till all the echoes ring. Joyousness repeating. Song we sang when we were younger. Song we'll sing when age grows stronger. Gladsome song of meeting. Gladsome song of meeting. See? That was like a ton of dotted 8/16 note patterns. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to look at how we say them on rhythm syllables and why. The most basic of our notes is the quarter note. It is one sound that lasts for one beat. And when we say it on rhythm syllables, we simply say ta. Rhythm is how long and how short sounds and silences are. And so we're going to take this one sound and we're going to dice it up. You can divide a beat up however you'd like. For our purposes, we're dividing it into 4. When you have 4 sounds in a beat, you have 16th notes, or takadimi. That's our rhythm syllables for 16th notes. Going back to our quarter note, our ta, I hope you can see that those 4 cubes are still there. And so the takadimi is all in there, but you only say the first one. So you just say ta when you have a quarter note. 2 eighth notes are 2 sounds on a beat, but now that we know more about music, we have to specify that they are 2 equal sounds on a beat. When you have 2 equal sounds on a beat, you can say tari. And even though that's what you say, the takadimi is still in there. You just say the first one of each group. Oh, and here's the star of our video, the dotted 8/16 note pattern. It has 2 unequal sounds on one beat. The first having 3/4 of a beat, and the second having 1/4 of a beat. When we say this bad boy on rhythm syllables, we say ta-mi, and we just remember that the ka and the d are still in there. Ta-mi, even though we don't say them. We just say the first of every group. I'm going to sing the first 2 verses on rhythm syllables. Hopefully you will understand that each beat has 4 parts, and you're going to see the cubes go by, and I'm going to say the first of each group. Ta, mi, ta, 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 mi, ta, ta, mi, ta, 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 di, ta, ta, mi, ta, 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 mi, ta, ta, mi, ta, 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 di, ta. Oh, that was slow for a reason. Hopefully it allowed you to see how each beat was broken up into 4 little pieces, and I only said the beginning of each group. Knowing what you know about how we break beats into pieces, could you use that to label these notes on a Schoology assessment? Have you found yourself where the blue puzzle piece is? Good. Click on it. It says here, drag the correct rhythm syllables under the notes. Okay, start attempt. Huh. Oh, that's kind of crazy on my screen, but looks like I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes on the first line and then 2 on the second. So you have a total of 7 boxes. They're supposed to start under the first dotted eighth note. So anyway, what you're doing here is you're finding the rhythm syllables that go under each note. So you're going to touch the ones you think. I'm not going to do the right one. Well, actually, I'll just do the very last one. I know the very last note is the half note, and it's 2 whole beats. So you touch it and you put it. So see, that's the last beat. I'm not really sure how this is going to look on your computer. Hopefully it all lines up. Anyway, you find what you think goes under each note, best you can, and you will use one of these twice. Everything else you'll use one time. Once you've filled in every one of these little 7 boxes, you touch review, finish, and yes. And then when you refresh, it'll give you a fabulous grade, I'm sure. I'm going to get a terrible one because I just put 1 in. But I did get that one right. The last one is a half note. All right.